Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I left my coffee cup downstairs, but the coffee flavor of today is candy cane flavor. And it is very good. And I wish I could buy that flavor coffee somewhere because it is like really, really good. I'm a little tired this morning, so this is going to be a really, really short day 3. But I wanted to say I received my first 2 Christmas cards. This one, and I'm getting mixed up. Hold on. And this is 2. So I received my first 2 Christmas cards, and this card is from Miss Towns in Orlando, Florida. I don't want to mess up your first name, so I'm going to send Miss Towns in Orlando, Florida. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my channel. I do appreciate that so very much. I really like your card. It's very sweet. And this card is from Mrs. Darby, and she is in North Carolina. And thank you so much for the love and support and the well wishes for the holidays. I really appreciate that as well. So, Miss Darby and Mrs. Towns, be on the lookout. I just wrote you guys a Christmas card and a little special something else. Enjoy lunch on me next week. It's not much, but you can get you a little something next week. I mailed you guys a gift card to one of my favorite restaurants. So please let me know when you guys receive it. So yeah, so got my first 2 Christmas cards from the Christmas Card Exchange. If you don't know what I'm doing, my information is down below. But if you guys mail me a Christmas card, I'm gonna mail you guys a Christmas card back with some little holiday cheer. It may be some stickers, gift cards, whatever I just go to that week, and whatever I decide to pick up, I'm gonna pick up and mail it back to you. So yeah, it's just my way of spreading some holiday cheer during this holiday season. So I'm looking forward to receiving many more Christmas cards. I will be hanging you guys Christmas cards up on my Christmas wall underneath my stockings. So I'm excited about that. So again, please mail me Christmas cards. I love getting snail mail and want to get Christmas cards from as many subscribers as I can. So check out my information down below. If you want to receive a Christmas card from me, I had 2 ladies that actually received a Christmas card from me, and your Christmas cards is out in the mail as well. I will gladly mail you guys a Christmas card. But if you send me a Christmas card, I'm going to send you back a Christmas card with a little extra something inside the Christmas card. So that's it for day 3. I'm pretty busy at work today. So I wanted to keep this video as short as possible. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 4 of Vlogmas. Bye-bye, guys.